Development and validation of an RP-HPLC method for bortezomib estimation in bulk and pharmaceutical dosage forms. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Bortezomib is indicated for single-agent use in the treatment of patients with multiple myeloma who have received at least 2 prior therapies and are progressing on their most recent therapy. Clinical investigations are underway to evaluate the safety and efficacy of bortezomib alone or in combination with chemotherapy in multiple myeloma, both at relapse and presentation, as well as in other cancer types. A novel, rapid, precise, economical, and accurate HPLC method for estimation of bortezomib in bulk and formulations was developed and validated. Quantitative HPLC was performed on a binary gradient HPLC with Shimadzu LC20 at and LC20 at VP series HPLC pumps with a 20 mL injection of sample loop, manual, and SPD20 of VP UV visible detector. The chromatographic resolution of bortezomib was achieved using acetonitrile, 0.1 m ammonium phosphate, acetic acid, buffer, 60-40 VV as a mobile phase, UV detection at 230 nanometers, and BDS Hypercell C8 column flow rate 1 ml per minute. The extraction recovery of bortezomib from its formulation dosage form, tablets, was greater than 99.59% and the calibration curve was linear, R² is equal to 0.999 over bortezomib concentration ranging from 20 to 120 micrograms per milliliter. The method has an accuracy of greater than 99% and LOD and LOQ of 0.51900 micrograms per milliliter and 2.43450 micrograms per milliliter, respectively. A result of the present method was validated statistically and by recovery studies, which were found to be satisfactory. This linearity range covers all the strengths of bortezomib, hence this can be conveniently used in the pharmaceutical manufacturing and formulation environment. Introduction. Bortezomib is a cancer-fighting drug first approved in the US in 2003. It works by blocking a system in cells that breaks down proteins, helping to stop cancer cells from growing and dividing. It is especially effective for treating multiple myeloma and certain lymphomas. Scientists have studied bortezomib both alone and with other drugs in different types of cancer. While some earlier studies focused on how bortezomib behaves in the body, they didn't use simple or cost-effective testing methods. This study introduces a new, affordable, and accurate method to measure bortezomib in its raw form and in medicines using a common laboratory technique. The method uses UV light to detect the drug and gives clear, sharp results, making it easier for researchers and manufacturers to test the quality and amount of bortezomib in pharmaceutical products. Conclusions. The results obtained from these studies are well fit into the standard specifications stipulated by the regulatory agencies. The method is able to reproduce the results consistently, and the recovery studies of bortezomib are found to be 99.59%, Rambabu et al., 2011. This indicates that commonly used excipients in pharmaceutical formulation were not interfering with the proposed method. The observation of %cc less than 2.0 for intraday measurements also indicates a high degree of precision. In the present method, we have established a linearity range of 2120 μg/ml. This linearity range covers all the strengths of bortezomib, hence this can be conveniently used in the pharmaceutical manufacturing and formulation environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.